god, oh my god, it's Call Me Matt, it's Call Me Matt, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, there he is.
What's going on, guys?
So if you're running, stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.
Look at him, he's just waiting. He's like, come on, come at me, bro.
What's up, guys? We're at the track right now. You ready, bro?
I guess.
Let's do it. There goes Ivan, already ready to race. But it's gonna be interesting to see what our two cars run. Both 3.7s. I got MPT tune, 373s, shorty headers, H-pipe, intake, and that's it, pretty much. Mickey Thompson, street comms. So right now we're just waiting in line. The track's not too packed right now, so I think we're gonna be able to get a good amount of runs in. And this time they are doing times. Not like last time where it was just an 1/8 mile. So this time we're doing a 1/4 mile.
13:56.
She ran. Felt kind of slow, to be honest. Okay, give me this fucking 14-second time slip. Thank you. Gotta remember, guys, we're 4,000 feet. 14.6! Oh my god! Alright, let's go, boy. Me and Ivan. AMR, long tube headers, and I got MPT, shorty headers. Both got 373s. He's got S550, I'm S197, so let's see it. Fucked up there, but I beat him. Really? Alright, let's do it again. Alright, apparently he had a problem with the shifting. I don't know what happened. Apparently it shifted early or something. I don't know what the hell. AMR, what are you doing? AMR tuning. Thank you. 14.7, getting slower. I hot lapped it that time. I got slower. 14.7. Wow, that is so slow. But keep in mind, guys, where I live, West Texas, we're almost 4,000 feet above sea level, so...
Again in left lane.
Come on. What do you have to say, man? What do you have to say?
Pretty disappointed.
We're so much slower than we thought.
Yeah.
It's so much slower. I've seen people in Florida that have 3.7s with stock gears and they'll run 13 seconds in Florida. But we're gonna let the slow things cool down, go check out some races.
Hey, let me tell you,
Dodge Demon, Turbo Civic. Demon 1102, Civic 11.2. Clean as fuck ZL1 though.
Okay, left lane 60.
Alright, here we go. I'm in the left lane again. Taking on I think like a 2017 5.0. Again, baby, let's go! Let's go! This time in the 1/4 mile, boys! Not so slow after all. I'm just kidding, guys. It's still slow. Slow V6. That was by far my best run of the night. I got the launch down pretty good, and I didn't have to shift into 4th gear. I got through the 1/4 mile at the top of 3rd, at the very top of 3rd. So let's see what my time is. Probably still in the 14-second range, but let's see, let's see. Thank you. 14.5, let's go. 5.0 round 14.6. Let's go, baby. See, hey, DA does make a difference. Temperatures are 90 degrees right now, and I think someone said DA was like 7,000. Just to
1451 down.
clarify,
Both guys shut down before
this is the car I raced. Good race, man.
You too, man.
5.0.
You actually got in your launches and shit.
Yeah, I can launch the fuck out of my Mustang. One more time, me and the Thunderbird, AMR, long tube headers, S550. Alright, me and Ivan one more time. Bolt-on 3.7 versus Bolt-on 3.7. Let's do it. Good race, Ivan. Good race, buddy. That was a good race. Good shit. Looks like MPT prevails against Auto Mafia. S197, boy. Appreciate it, man. Where do our slow mobiles run? I ran a 14.8. Ivan ran a 15-second flat. Oh my god, V6 Mustangs are so slow. Hey, good race, man. Gonna get another one? You know what? You were whooping some ass tonight, baby. Fucking love you. Alright, guys. The track's closing down. We were here all night. We had our fun. But it'll also be the 5.0 again tonight in the quarter mile this time. And just to clarify, stock 5.0s were running like 14 to 15 seconds all night long. So I'm in the ballpark. Alright? Well, that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.